Garden wall. The figure shows the plan view and the front view of a sectional elevation of an L-shaped garden wall with a gate pies. So this time around, remember the previous garden wall, it had only the gate. The end wall or the ending of the wall, they didn't have an existing wall or building, just like this one. But this one, it's attached with what? With the pies. So this is a gate. This is a gate. We can say this is a gate. This is a gate. So we have a column and a column. The second column is attached with the wall. This is the starting point of the wall. I will erase this part. I'll draw step by steps. So on the first one, what is it that you have to understand here? You are given that these pies or columns, they are being erected on top of the concrete footing of what? Of 800. These are holes. When it talks about the holes, you think of a concrete structure. We talked about the concrete structure. These holes are these columns. It's a square columns which is 440 on top of 800 by 800 concrete. We can say it's a base. Even this one is the same, since there are two. Then we continue. We are given a footing which is given as a 580, and the wall is given as a what? The thickness of the wall is given as a 220. You can see it from the other side. 220, like that. Which is the other side is 4300. We're given 220. I believe that you understand what's going on with that. We're going to come back step by step and break it down. Today, you are going to write and tell me the answers, but I'm going to explain. Because you see, our space is very small. What matters is the understanding here. First of all, before we can talk about site clearance, we know that we have to clean the site. The first step that we are going to talk about, let's find the length of the wall. So what is it that we have to understand something here? I believe that you are drawing or you are highlighting from a textbook. We said the wall, okay, from here to here, it's given as 800. Interesting. What is the back filling of this pie, or the back filling around the pie? We are going to say 800 minus that. You know how to find the back filling of that, isn't it? What is the back filling here? You need to backfill all around. Why am I doing that? I need to know the space that is left from here to here, because the wall starts from inside the hole and it goes this side. I need to know this space, but it's okay. We will come back to that one again. If we check, our wall starts from here. If our wall is starting from there, we are given 8,650. So first of all, I'm going to write that. Okay, I see 8,650. But this wall is turning like this. We have something like this, whereby from here to here and to here, let's say that one, okay, we are given 8,650, 220, and then here at the corner we're given what? Okay, this is 220.
There's a question in the group chat.
What kind of a question?
She wants to know how to make full screen, your screen a full screen.
Oh, help her out.
So you go to Mr. Champion's screen, save yours. You see the save your screen. You go to save your screen. Bottom right, there are 3 buttons. You press those 3 buttons and you choose full screen and you are done. I hope she's listening.
You
Do
don't
you
have to.
understand?
You don't have to ask from the group. Hey, I don't check my phone. My phone is here, so I can't check my phone. Good. So what do you do here? You are going to decide. You decide. This is an L shape. Remember how you found the total length of that L column on concrete structure? You cut. Good. So you're going to apply that. You're going to say, okay, fine. I'll decide to cut. Let me say I cut my wall here. That means I'm going to have 2 shapes. I'm going to have shape A and I'm going to have shape B. Ne?
Yes, sir.
So if you continue like that, you know that, okay, fine. From that, I'm going to have what? My 8650. I'm going to add my 220 here by the corner here. Ne?
Yes.
Therefore, that tells me that I'm going to have the length from here to here, which is what? Today I have my own calculator. You keep quiet, I punch.
It's 8870.
So yes, thank you. That is an 8870. Therefore, that means here it's what? It's 8870. I'm going to add the remaining portion. The remaining part here, that means it's gonna be from here to here, ne? Which is 4.3, ne?
Yes.
Plus 4.3, which is what?
13170.
Yes. So now we know how to find that length of the wall. Good. You write it down, please. We know the length of the wall. I'm gonna need that part. I don't have space. Okay. We're gonna write it down. I'm gonna ask for that. Ne?
Yes.
Good. Good. Now, again, they will ask us to find what? The length of what? Of the trench. So this is a scenario again. We said we have our wall here. Our wall that is going like this. Our wall that is going like this. We are talking about a trench now. Where there's a wall, there must be a trench. A trench. A wall cannot be built out of nothing. So this is what we have. This is what we have. However, I'm going to draw with a what? Our trench starting from here. Remember, this is a what? This is a hole. You get it?
Yes, sir.
The blue line represents the trench. The black lines represent the brick wall. So I'm going to indicate with this color to show this is a brick wall. This is a brick wall. Reason I talked about, I said, please find the what? Find the backfilling of that. But before we can start with that, let's find the backfilling of that. We know that from here to here it's 580. How do you know that it's 580? You check from the plan from the vertical section. You will see that it's given as what? 580 and the 220. You know how to find the backfilling, whereby you're going to say 580 minus 220 divided by 2. What is the answer?
180.
You're getting 180 this side and 180 this side, according to Philmon. I don't know. Well, let me punch my calculator. Hey, Philmon divided by 2. Good, 180. Thank you. This tells you that the remaining portion that is here, it's 180. You get it? From here to here, it's 180. Ne?
Yes.
And also, the remaining portion that is left here, it's 108 there by the corner, even here. Okay, fine, I'm going to do it from here. This is what I mean. From here to here, you have 180. You get it? And then from here to here, you have what? 180. Even from here to here, you have 180. Like that. You get it? Now, we are coming back to this part. Remember I said I need a back filling here from here to here. How do you find? You're just going to say 800 minus 440 divided by 2. You need to know the space that is remaining there. Because this is equals to this.
It's 108.
So we actually have the same back filling on the pies and the brick wall. That means it's fine. So this tells you that, okay, you have the length that is remaining there, which is 180. And what was the length of the wall? Is it 13 what? 170, ne?
Yes.
Good. So if you know the length of the wall, to make these things to be more interesting, this is the wall that you have. The wall that you have as a total is what? Is 13,170. This wall, it's inside what? The trench. But our trench, it's ending somewhere here. It's ending somewhere here. The remaining part that is there, it's what? It's 108 of the backfilling inside the pies or the base. So now, how? And you remember the other part, this is remaining, it's 180. You know from here to here, which is 13. Oh, come on, I'm doing it simple. 13,170. What's going to be the total length of the trench?
It's going to be 13,170 plus 2 of 180.
Why plus 2?
Because we have 180 on the left-hand side of the wall and we have another 180 on the right-hand side of the wall.
Ah, interesting. Another one? Nzalo. Here we discuss, eh? Casey? Putty. Ibana. These people. Since I think I must add your your profile when I upload this video so that they can see you on YouTube.
Sir.
Oh, now you are scared. What is your?
No.
Yes. What is your opinion on this one?
We're gonna add 180 because the.
Okay, let me do this. We have 180 at A. We have 180 at B. Which 180?
The one at A.
Okay, we're gonna add it from where?
To the 13,170.
This is the length of the, okay, it's 13,170. You're saying we're gonna add what? 180. And then?
Yes.
We're done?
I think so.
So what you are saying is your trench is starting from here. From the it's going with the wall straight. That's what you are saying. This thing is practical.
So when are you saying we should minus the
I didn't
other
say you should
180?
minus. Why to me? How I want to hear from you. I can't be always giving answers. You? Well, when you give an answer, you must have a reason behind it. Why are you saying, okay, you're saying we add 180. It's fine. What is the answer then?
It's 13,350.
13,000 what?
350. 350.
So it's 13,350.
13,350. Yes.
350. Okay. So you're saying this is your answer. This is your answer. Ne? This is your answer. Remember, the total length of this is starting from here. It go like this. That is 13,170. But myself, I'm looking for the length from here. to here. Very interesting, eh? And the answer is very simple. Philemon, shake a little bit.
Hello.
Please redeem your
Hello.
friends.
Yes, I'm listening.
I didn't say you must listen. I said redeem your friends. What is the answer then?
My answer is, okay, 30, 170 plus 2 of 180.
Why?
13.
Okay, it's fine. It is okay. No, don't worry. We learn. We learn every day. We learn with those people out there. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm gonna draw this.
So, Mr. Choke.
Hey, give me a chance. You didn't get the answer.
Sorry.
Say
the question was,
okay,
for us to calculate the length of the backfilling for the wall only.
Why are we talking about backfilling now?
Because a wall needs to be backfilled when constructed.
Backfill inside on what?
On the sides of the wall.
And then remember, now I'm asking. I need to know the answer for the trench. That means if you don't know the answer for the trench, that means basically you don't know how long. How long we're supposed to dig in? How long we're supposed to dig? Hey, shut up! How long we're supposed to excavate? So if we don't know how long we're supposed to excavate, I mean, like, why are you talking about?
I have the answer now.
Why are you talking about backfilling?
I think I have the answer now.
No, keep it for now. So this is my wall. This is my wall. I'm just gonna draw straight. I'll pretend as if it's turning because it's gonna make things complicated. We know that it's going this way. It's fine. It's going like this. It's going like that. It's okay. It is okay. It is okay. Let's say it's standing. Okay, fine. And then we are going to have a trench. A trench. Where's the black one? So we said the brick wall. This brick wall is built from what? It's attached with the column inside, ne? Inside.
Yes.
Inside. And then we agreed with each other that from here to here, the answer is 13,170. Agree?
Yes.
Now, this is the part that we're talking about here. There's a small piece of the wall which is 180, ne?
Yes.
Taken from the big filling. Good. Now we dug in from the hole. We dug in for the wall pillar. For the wall, it's going like this, going like that. It's going like that. It's going like that. So let's say it's ending somewhere here. Good, good. You see how it goes?
Yes.
That's how it goes. Then the wall going down like that. Going down like that. No, don't worry. I'll ask them ladies to answer this one. We know. I'm sure this is a top view of that. We just know from here to here, which is given as a what? As a 8870, the one that we calculated. Ne?
Yes, yes, yes.
And then again, you can give me the total. Can you say 4.3 plus 220? I just want the measurement from here to here straight.
It is 4520.
4520. Good. The backfilling here, we said it's 180, 180, and then 180 also here, 180. Even the end there, it's 180. 180. 180. Common sense. The space that is needed here, which is a backfilling of 180 there, ne?
Yes.
We have to add from the answer that we got, which is 13,170. We said we are adding, which is that. You're fine, it's okay, but you're not done. The question is, do you need this 180 from the trench? The other one. Is this 180 inside the trench or outside?
Outside.
So is it part of the trench or not?
Not.
Then you take it out. So you see the answer is the same here. And that's why I said the answer is simple. Hey! 10 past 4. 10 past 4. Blinkly. Any question before I erase? We can argue around it.
I don't understand.
You don't know what, but you are quiet. But when I ask question, you keep quiet. Why? Hey, more, ma'am, more rabuchisha, so that we can understand. Wakushisha. More rabuchisha, so that we rakushisha. Okay, we're back from you. What is it that you don't understand? We come back again.
Like, how do you add this to 180?
No, it is okay. It is okay. We're gonna come back with a strategy. You're gonna go back and play this video, eh?
Yes.
I am not talking to you, Philemon. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna go back to primary school. They say A and B. The length is what? The distance is that. Understand?
Yes.
Oh yeah, because it's a number line. Yeah, because this is a good. We have C. We have D. So from A to D, it's 180. From B to C, it's 180. Wakushish?
Yes.
Yeah. How am I going to explain this one? But it's fine. Let's see. No. It's from here. Sorry. I made a mistake. I see. Let's say, okay, we have that part. Let's say it's from A to C, which is 13,170, ne?
Yes.
But from B to C, it's 180, ne?
Yes.
Let me just write an arrow just like that so they can see. Now, what is it that I want from you? I want to, let's say, your home. This is your home. You're going home at D, ne? You're coming from TNC, your school. That at point B. What is it? How much distance are you gonna take from here? You walk until you feel like high.
Do I have to add this distance behind B?
Remember, this 13,170 is starting from C.
From C?
Yes. I'm going to know better practical. Geographically so.
So, sir,
Hey,
I go
don't
for
disturb her. She's going home. Put it. Boy,
Mara, sir, if I'm going home from this point
point B. Yes, but the distance is from Chef. The distance from A to C, it's 3170. I get it.
Mhm.
And what is it that you're given? Yourself, you need to know you're from point B. And you don't know from point B to A, or you don't know from point B to D. But you need to walk from B to D. Wakushisha or go high cool.
Ke kgole.
Ah, ka bona ke botsa mo. Oh, Philemon.
So
yes,
my
sir.
question ko
Oh no, it's fine. Okay, the question king.
question ya ka ko reng, yes, the other 180 ke go sure why tshwantse re add, ne? Mara why tshwantse re add le ke ya ka mo, cause it's
No,
not part of the rule.
now. What's it king, ne?
Mm.
Gona no. Ska sheba QS. Now re tla moo, ne?
Yeah.
We are saying that from C to D is 13,170, the distance. Yourself, you are starting from B to D. What is the distance from B to D?
The distance from B to D.
Yeah, because you want to if you're confused.
Then after come mara wa mo aching ke bokae?
Oh, born. Okay, I know. Don't worry, sis. We are family. We are one here. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
So can I get a distance from here to here?
Angir ke tlo re 13 say 170 plus 180.
Plus 180.
Yeah. Cause angir ke from B to D.
From B to D. So the 180 that you are adding, is it this one or this one?
The one from A. Mo hopefully A.
So you have this one. When you are starting from that half, remember? So where do you take this remaining distance? Whatever that you are doing is coming from here. What's happening with this 108?
No, I don't know because you said I must
Oh
come
no,
from
don't
point
worry.
B.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. We are family. We are helping each other. Who's yes. Cool leg. It's your turn.
So
You are, listen. This is Ekuruleni and this is Langaville. How much distance are you gonna take from there to there?
from B to D.
B to D. And the overall distance we want to you are given what? You are given the distance from C to A, which is 13,170. You did math, you have a distinction. I believe you can have something here.
Anisho also add the distance yaga D from the distance that you already have, but then minus distance ga B because
There's no distance in one point. You have distance in 2 points. Don't say B. Which B? There's no distance yet. B. So it's B to where?
I'm saying okay. I'm saying you're going to take a distance. Le yaga pan A C, right? And then you add the distance ga AD, and then minus by distance ga DC, because uqala mohamba usa from B uye D.
So now we go back to Puti. Do you understand why we're saying the distance remains the same? Puti uko kai?
The distance remains the same.
Yeah, 13
Yeah,
170.
170. Oh yeah.
Wa kwishisha or wa bayizisa gare wa kwishisha or and a kwishisha?
I can buy this kushi.
O kwishisha eng?
I'm not sure the distance gonna remain the same since we did that. Since they remain
Why
from.
Hey, why you shaking? Don't shake. Good. So now we are okay, ne? So that means we know now. We are fine now. We know that the length of the trench and the length of the wall is the same. Now, we are going to answer the question. Number one, they talked about the site clearance. We are cleaning the site. Clear the site. We are coming back with the same question. Who's this? Who's not around here? We're gonna talk about Shitsabi. You said you've been watching videos step by step, but I believe that number one, you started with it. What is the purpose of cleaning the site, Shitsabi? Are you there? Okay, fine. These songs are disappointing me. They're so quiet. So but the man. Look. Get what kind of man?
Okay.
Oh, Nzalo. Why is it so? Nzalo. Sorry, but that's why it's so quiet. It's like Umuzu. Okay, there you are.
Yeah, so the reason why Gurina issued the importance of clear site is to make sure that like there's working space and the site is clear enough to start the excavation.
Give me oh, what was so thing? All right, Chief. No, we agree. Let's go back to Puti. What's the only thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I know. Why are we supposed to clean the site? I know someone's reading from the book. We will hear that some debris there.
I can say the reason why we have to.
Okay, read. Okay, tell us. The reason?
The reason we have to clear site is to prepare the site for
what? You said for what?
It's an
You're going to copy. Oh, okay, fine. Everyone help her.
To prepare site for builders' work.
Good. Fine. Fine. Okay, no problem. Description, people. I don't know, depend on the college though. But even the specifications they will say, okay, you're allowed to use the standard system, something like that. So, but these are tests, they might not even give you the standard system, but you must show your understanding. Do not cram, you show your understanding, but there's some things that you must always consider. Okay, fine. Now the statement said clear the site 1.5 meters all around the garden wall. Our garden wall, I want to hear the common sense. Here we have point A, we have point B here, and we have point C. The question is, our garden wall, where does our garden wall start? From point B to C or from A to C? Why am I asking that? Another question is, if you are to clean this, because you said we are cleaning the site to prepare the builder's work. That's what you said. If we are cleaning so that we can start doing our garden wall, because here we have a hole and a hole and the garden and the wall. The question is, are we going to start cleaning from here for the hole, then we skip this part for the gate, and we come here, we clean until here? Or are we going to clean from here until here?
You're going to clean from A to C.
Thank you. So now, we need to know the total length, not the hole. We clean before the holes again.
Yeah.
So that means what's going to be the length? We know the length is going to be, okay, fine. We're going to have what? We already know from where to where. Yeah, we already know. Okay, it's fine. I'll strategize. Tell me, if you don't understand, please make sure you say something. We're going to start from here to here, which is what? Which is 2 of 4, 2 of what? 440. This 440 and this 440. And we have a space between the columns, which is what? Plus 1100. Ne? And then from here to here, we already know which is what? 13170. You understand?
Okay, the space between the columns is 100.
Is it 100 though?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Sharp. It's my textbook. Sorry, Sharp says.
Your textbook or your glass?
My glass.
I see. Wipe them. Take your baby's wipers. Wipe them. What is the answer?
Plus 2 of 440. Now, Mr. Choke, I think you forgot something there.
What did I forget?
No, it's fine. Sharp.
I'm getting 15150. Anyone who's getting something else?
Plus 440 plus 1100. I got the same answer.
Hey, what is it? Hey, Pella, like it seems like on this one is complicated a bit. You see?
Yes, I got it 15150.
But look at this one. This one, it has 2 different widths. Coming from this side, the width what it start to what? It's like it's gonna be this way. But if you check on the other side, because we consider the thickness of the wall also. So when it comes to the width, we have 2 width whereby going to say 440 for the column plus 2 of what? Of 1000. Hey, we're not done here. On this one, it's going to be what? Plus of what? Plus 2 of 1500. What is the answer from that?
So is it 1500 or?
I mean, yeah, it's 1.5 for settlers. The settlers, they said 1.5. 1.5.
So they said 1.3.
Where?
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong question. So 1.5. Okay, sharp.
Hey, whatever that you're smoking is dangerous. Where is this guy? I want to see this guy. Where is it? We have Casey Nzalo Poti, Casey Philemon Kulego. It's only that guy left, innit? Oh, I see.
So I get 18150.
That's what I got. Take it home. Then the other one you're gonna have what this 1000. You have the width, and you have the other width, which is what the thickness of the wall plus 2 of what 1500. So I prefer measuring. You see, you have two width, the other width of the column from the column side, and we have the width from the wall side. Ne?
Yes.
What is the answer for that? So that I can show you how to measure. I've break everything down. That means you'll have to go and do something about it. This will be our part
So
one. We're gonna continue.
the width of the wall is the answer.
What is the answer?
No, I'm saying the width of the wall is 3220.
And the other one?
I'm still calculating.
God, we have a lot of people here, but are quiet. Hey.
440 plus
440
2000.
plus 2 of 1.5 is 3440.
So when you measure this, you are going to do this. I'm just going to do this part and the excavation part and then leave you. You continue. We're going to continue from the excavation part. So firstly, you're going to say, okay, fine. I have what? I'm going to measure like this. I have the length of what? Which is 18150 by the width, which is 3,44. That's the first one. The second one is going to be like that, same length, but the width is going to be 3,22. You measure it twice, like that.
Huh?
Oh, in 2 stages.
Same length. One, they were gonna mark one of these. It's the same thing. You think you're gonna get? No, it's not as 2 stages actually. You write both of them, but they're gonna mark one. Both of them are correct. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So you didn't? Okay.
I'm going for excavation. What is it that we have to excavate again?
Yo.
Puti, are you there?
Yeah.
What is it that we have to excavate? What do you call excavation, Kaspedi?
Web.
You what?
Web.
Wema.
Web.
Oh yebo, ngesiZulu siyagubha. Hey, sigubha ntoni? Hayi wena. Ekesi. Ngezivenda ini? Ndibugubo. We have the base, ne? The basis. That is 400 pi times 40, and then we have the trench. The trench. We already have the length of the trench, which is 13,170. It's the same as the wall. When you are measuring that, you're going to say, description. What are you excavating? I'm excavating. You excavate the surface earth. For what? For the hole. Ne? But it must not exceed what 2 meters deep from the ground level. You know that does not change. Ground level. When you do that, you check. I have 2 holes. That means it's going to be times 2. And what is the length of the hole? The length is going to be the length is what? It's 800 by 800. Not 44, it's a column. So it's going to be 0,80. The length and the width is the height. We didn't calculate the height yet. On the depth. On the drawing, we are given something like that. And this is the ground level here. Okay, fine. These things, they have the same height, which is 225. The concrete. But below ground level, you are given what? 6550. So what's going to be the total there from the ground level?
875.
So it's going to be 0.8 what? 88.
Yes.
Good, times 2 because you have 2 holes. But the other one for the trench, saying so ditto, but for the what? But for the trench, ne? The trench is going to be what? 13,170 with a width of 580 with a height of what is 0.88. That's it.
So, what did you say the depth was?
He said it's 875, I think, something like that.
Okay.
Can we cast the concrete quick? No, we're not casting the concrete. We are doing risk of collapse. I'm doing that and then I fuck off. What are you gonna do there? Because I'm choosing the complicated part here. I'm doing the risk of collapse, and then you are going to finish it up. And then if you have a question, when we connect on Friday, eh?
Yes.
On Friday, I'll be marking scripts. That means we might not even connect, but we'll see. But we're gonna finish it up. I'm expecting questions from the DM. Please, I'll now risk of collapse. You'll reward. Let's talk about the risk of collapse.
Oh, wait, Mr. Chopi.
Sugar way. Let's talk about the risk of collapse. This is a Poti. I'm coming to you. This is a hole that we decked with undisturbed soil around. The length of this is 800 by 800. How many sides are on risk to collapse there?
4.
Are you
Four
put?
sides.
Are you put?
Sorry.
Flipboard. Uzimoshela mshato wena man. Okay. So that means how many do you have there? The holes do you have?
2.
Two. But check common sense. The other one, it's like this. We decked in like that. But or along the way, we're going to do the opening there. It's combined with a trench. In a trench. You see here what's happening here? So what you're going to do, you're going to have 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides that are equal. Therefore, you're not going to times by 2 on a risk of collapse for this one. Again, you don't have to. They are not measured the same way. And then you have the small portion that is remaining with it, A and B. But these portions are equal. You know from here to here, which is given as 800, the thickness of the trench is 580. That means you need to apply the backfilling method to find the remaining part there. Therefore, you're going to measure A and B as a times 2. Let me just measure it for you. It's going to be easy like that. The first one, we're going to measure this one, whereby we said we're going to take the perimeter if you want to, or you can just say, I have 4 sides that are equal, which is 8, it's going to be what? 800 by what? By 875, which is 0.88 square meters. We come to this one. The other one, it has 3 sides that are equal, which is like that. 80 with the what? But we have these things that are not equal here. We have to do something. We're going to say 800 minus 580 divided by 2. What is the answer?
110.
So if we have 110, that means in a common sense way, let me just do a suitable space. Common sense minus no source. This is what I mean. So basically you have 110 here, 110 and 110. So this is the soil. This is soil. There's nothing here. You understand?
Yes.
And you know the depth. The depth which is given is what? 875. Even this side is given as what? 875. Therefore, you're going to say, I have two sides that are equal, which is this and this, but it has the length of 110 and the height of what? Of 0.88. That's the risk of collapse. I believe that you will manage to do the backfilling or your own. But before I can continue, I mean, like, before I can close this thing, when we talk about the backfilling, that means you are going to do, when you backfill on this, I'm breaking it down for you so that you can have a proper study time. I'm going to start with this one. We are backfilling the column around this. This is a column. What do you see here? Sort of a trench, ne? N4.
Center line.
Therefore, the length is going to be what? The center line. Ne? You get it?
Yes.
Where are you going to 2 times of what? 800 plus 2 of 800 minus 4 by what? What is the thickness? It was 180, ne?
Yes.
Aspoge. But when it comes to the other one, you are backfilling. No, this thing. You strategize, man. This thing is easy. QS, it's easy, man. This is what you have. If this is like this, if you remember, there's a wall here, ne?
Yeah.
So you can strategize. How are you gonna strategize here? You can just do the same center line, but you're gonna deduct here. Hello.
Just like that.
The same center line that you calculated, but you're going to deduct the wall, ne?
Yes.
Good. That's how it is. I'm sure the other thing is easy, man. The other thing it's easy, man. Aye, the other thing it's easy. This is a wall, and then you only backfill from there to there. How many sides are you going to backfill? You're going to backfill this side, and you're going to backfill this side. You get it?
Yeah.
We are